Hello everyone, it's Liana, your piano teacher, mentor and coach with Music Academy International. I'm so pleased to be here and share with you my love for piano and my passion for piano. So thank you for clicking on this new video. This video is about JS Bach, the Prelude in C major. So this piece, it's the first prelude from the clavier well-tempered, so the piano well-tempered clavier. So Bach did compose 24 preludes and fugues that actually it's his masterpiece of a lifetime, in which he explored all these keys, all 24 keys actually. The prelude, what means prelude? Prelude is something that is leads, it's a piece of music, usually it's not too long, that leads into something else, and in this case it will lead into the fugue. Okay, so this prelude is like an intermediate level. We will try here to explore and see how it should be played, and then we will try to figure it out, the dynamics on it, and where I'm going crescendo and decrescendo and what to not do. So first I'm going to play from the beginning to the end, and then I'm going to tell you the differences. And then I will do a second part of this for those students that they would like to play this piece and though they don't know how to read music. So I'm going to go really very slow. It's not a hard piece. It's not a hard piece, though it's peaceful, it's nice and rewarding. Okay? So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed. So let's talk a little tiny bit about this. It's basic chords that goes in different keys. My small kid's here, it's talking to me as well. Okay, so you can go right now. Okay, so we're starting here very clearly in a piano, and we having this chord, right? And then, right? That is. And then this one. And resolving back into C. So as you could hear me when I play, so please do replay. I'm starting piano 2 times, and then I'm going a little tiny bit more. And then resolving, almost resolving in G major 7, back to the C major. And then a little crescendo next. The music is telling you exactly where you're supposed to go. And then this one. And then it's like a question mark. Shall I do this? Or shall I do that? So this would be a piano. And more piano, maybe this. See how the bass, B major 7, and then we're going back in G major. A little diminished chord goes, oops, a little clouds, doubts, another diminished chord, and another major chord. That's a challenge, and we're going even more doubts. That leads to this one. D minor chord with G major, and obviously we always going back into C, calming C. With a C7, another diminished chord. And right now it's almost another diminished chord. And we having a G7 and back in the C major. And more G7, right? And then more. And finally, the peak of the song, it will be here. Full C major. With it just changing two keys, we're going, into G7. Stay G7. Into C7 and F major. And hands down, resolving into C. Right? So you can see this flowing of the, it's like a tapestry in which you just change one single key, and then you go from C to G to F to 7 to, just around, like in a family of chords, just first relative with adding 7, maybe to the second relative, so from to C to G to D, but not much more than that. We're having a couple of diminished all the time. When you're having diminished chords, you gotta go softer because it's more internal. The diminished chord is always more dramatic or more painful or more more constrained, like it's not expanding like a C major, and obviously the minor it's a little bit more with more shadows, but the depressing one, it's the one that is more the diminished one. Okay, so a couple of tips how to practice this. So first of all, I'm hearing a lot of this. That is absolutely terrible. Sincerely, it's only the notes. That's not actually terrible, you're just playing the notes. To make the transition from making the notes to the music and to actually play the music and say, and become a beautiful polished jewelry, you know, from rough diamond, become a beautiful polish, you know, more is polished, more facets it has, much more, the diamond is more expensive, obviously, you know what I mean. So to do that, we need to really pay attention to every single sound of the finger, and especially this finger number one, everybody is, again, is making an accent instead of making like waves, you see? So I'm getting a little tiny bit of an accent on the left hand on the first note. And I'm going all the way to the top. And more, you see? Can you see the crescendo? And back. And back. And then right. So what you need to do is just this move. So pay attention to not poke number one. So you just go deeper into the key, into the first key on the left hand, and then here. And just the next note, it will be piano, piano, and then mezzo piano, and then tiny bit more on the top, on the pinky on the right hand. So this is how you're gonna practice if you wanna get a beautiful sound. And more. See? Like again, music is always something in movement. It's energy in movement. You never stop moving. Beautiful meditative song. Right? So can you hear how beautiful I just left, piano, piano, and crescendo, right? This is pretty much what you need to do the entire song. So this is the only tip I could give you, to just be fluid, extremely relaxed, shoulders down, and enjoy the music. But before you make it really beautiful, you need to practice this and the flowing of it. You see, piano, right. Another tip, if you really want to, you can start with the left pedal on here. So you will have a lot of room to, right? What did I do here? A lot of room to do crescendo and back. And even more. And then back to piano. Good. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next tutorial. It will be a part 2 of this tutorial, in which I will actually explain it for those that they cannot read music and they don't know how to read music. It's pretty easy how to do it, so I will go very, very slow in a very short tutorial, the next one, part 2. Okay? Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.